Hey! Welcome back to Quiz Universe, the ultimate place to flex those observation skills. Ready to test your superhero senses? Today's challenge is all about Marvel's Spider-Man Game Edition. You've got 10 seconds to lock in the right answer and score a point. If you're ready to rock this challenge, hit that subscribe button and let's go! Level 1, easy peasy. Find the odd Spider-Man Peter Parker emoji. Boom! There he is, right in front of you. Did you blink? No excuses. Level 2, logos on steroids spot. The different Spider-Man logo in this tricky mix. Wow, it's sneaking in there like a ninja. Level 3, where's Spider-Man among these pesky robots? Gotcha! He's chilling on the right, just waiting for some pizza. Level 4, Miles Morales ID check. Which of these is the real Miles Morales? Pro tip, look for the black and red suit. Nailed it. Now, things get spicy. Find the unique Miles Morales emoji. Bingo! You're sharper than spider sense. Hunt down the distinct Miles Morales emoji again. Aha! There it is. You're officially on fire. Identify the character from this optical illusion. Squint harder. It's Venom's grinning. Spot the unusual Venom emoji. You did it again. Guess the hero by emoji. Two emojis equals Spider-Man symbiote. You cracked it. Nicely done. Puzzles heating up. Find the Spider-Man symbiote emoji among others. There it is. Ninja mode deactivated. Discover 3 differences between 2 Spidey pics. Easy peasy, the spider logo, the hood, and that slick watch. Locate the unique Kraven, the hunter emoji. Right on target. Guess the villain by their logo. Only real fans got this. It's Prowler, Miles's shady uncle. Spot the distinct Prowler emoji. Found it? You're unstoppable. Identify the real Black Cat among these 3. Yes, the answer is under A, perfect. Bravo, friends. How many puzzles did you pass? Drop your results in the comments. We love reading them. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome quizzes and pick your next challenge. Good luck, and we'll catch you next time.